That's the GTR2, and then is it still the same price?
78,000.
78,000? No way. Oh gosh, that is. Wait, didn't you add it to round it up to the tax?
Huh?
Didn't you add it to round it up to tax?
Oh, yeah. Before they bring it in, they do. Or somebody wants to test them, they'll take it out. You can take it out from one of the stores.
They have to. Ma, look. Okay.
More.
Yeah, but look. See? Look at the exterior on this one. This one's really, really, really nice.
These leather seats.
That's leather?
Mm-hmm.
I thought it was fabric. Like
This is leather.
Look, see, Mom? It's your Pathfinder.
Your Pathfinder.
I think this one goes. Oh, yeah, it's a Rock Creek.